Leaf miners are the most common kind of pest and getting control over them is also easy. In this video, we will see leaf miners step-by-step treatment, also try to understand their nature and much more. So let's begin and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leaf miners are basically a larva. It's not a single insect's larva. Different insects like flies, moths, beetles, etc. have a growing stage where they become larvae called as leaf miners for some time. These larvae fed on the plant tissues, they get inside the leaf and start eating them. Going further, they leave such kind of white trails or mines inside the leaf, and that's why they are called as leaf miners. They are very small in size, we can't see them, but to identify them, simply look for such leaf patterns. They mostly attack on the vegetative growth of a plant, especially younger tomato seedlings. Leaf miners likes a warm and humid environment to hatch from their eggs and start eating the leaves immediately. You will see the signs of leaf miners in the warm months of the year, especially when the season is changing, like in Feb to March or September to October month. The temperature and humidity is very ideal. The eggs are already present on all plants. Once hatched, they will start eating the plant tissues. Generally talking, leaf miners are not so dangerous by themselves. They will eat some leaves, and once the larva is big, it became pupa and hides in the soil until it becomes the insect like his parent. So in this leaf mining, larva is a stage. We can easily get rid of them, or sometimes they will go away automatically. But if the season is very ideal and your plant is attacked by a large group of leaf miners, they will destroy the plant a lot, and a weak plant eventually dies or becomes susceptible to hundreds of other issues like viral pest attack, nutrients shortage, etc. So an early identification is very important. Leaf miners have some favorite plants they attack the most. This list includes tomatoes, citrus plants, cabbages, lettuce, spinach plant, different kind of flowering plants like dahlias and petunias, etc. Some ornamental plants as well. First sign of leaf miners is a random white trail on the upper side of a leaf. It could be a new growth or on the older leaves. Now let's come to their preventive measures. First of all, you can use an insecticidal soapy spray. As they arise from eggs, soapy texture of our spray will make a layer of soap on the leaf, causing the eggs to never hatch. This stops the attack before even it starts. Use a tablespoon of liquid soap or shampoo in a liter of plain water and mix well, and spray it all over the plant from top to bottom. This will reduce the eggs hatching up to 90%. You can do this in the ideal season like in springs or ending summers. Here you can also subscribe to our channel. Another technique to prevent the leaf miners attack is to use a good fertilizer and keep the plants healthy. When plant is healthy, it fights off the attack by itself. You can use any good fertilizer like cow dung or such a homemade fertilizer. It will provide the plant all the important elements and it will be healthy and strong. You can also place your plant in an open, sunny and airy space. This will reduce the humidity and temperature, and hence the ideal season for hatching of eggs never come. Now let's know how to get rid of leaf miners if they really attack on your plants. To identify them, look for such lines on the leaves. The first step to get rid of leaf miners is to simply move the plant to a semi-shaded area, especially the most infected plants. By separating them, you stopped the leaf miners to spread, and now you can also treat these infected plants easily. Another step is to remove all the most infected leaves, the leaves with most leaf miner lines. Some may also turn yellow, which is natural. Just remove the most infected leaves and dispose them by air tightening the leaves in a plastic bag. Now they won't go to other of your plants. Another step to get rid of leaf miners is to use a pesticide. You can use a Neem Oil spray which works the best against the leaf miners. To make Neem Oil spray at home, you can follow the description box video. Make it and use all over the plant. Wash off the whole plant using this spray. You can do this at a cool evening every 2 to 3 days. You will see within a week or so, the plant will start growing new leaves and they won't have any signs of leaf miners. The older leaves won't turn normal back, but a healthy green growth is a sign of recovery. Once the plant is recovered, you should use a fertilizer. Because the plant had a lot of nutrients loss, you can use this homemade fertilizer. Video on this is added in the description box. Make it and use on infected plants to provide them nutrition. So it's all about leaf miners organic treatment. Here is a detailed video on aphids treatment, which is a very dangerous kind of pest. Feel free to follow and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.